Good day everyone, welcome to Senior Pablo TV. And for today's tutorial video, we will be discussing the simple interest. In the simple interest, we have two basic formulas. For the interest, or the simple interest, that is equal to PRT, where P stands for the principal, R stands for the rate, and T stands for the time. And for the future value, or maturity value, we have F for that is equal to P, the principal, plus the interest. In this video, we will be discussing word problems involving the simple interest. Let's start with problem number 1. Pablo borrowed 25,000 pesos, which accumulated to 27,690 pesos after 24 months. What is the simple interest rate? So, we are looking for the simple interest rate given the principal. So, let us write the given principal. The money he borrowed is 25,000 pesos. Accumulated money is 27,690. That would be our future value. So 27,690. And our time is 24 months. 24 months is equal to 2 years. Take note, your time must be in years. Now, we're going to find the rate given the following: the principal, future value, and the time. Which formula are we going to use? Notice in our given, we have the principal and the future value. Therefore, we can get our interest. The interest is equal to the future value minus the principal. Substitute 27,690 minus 25,000. Now get the difference. 27,000 minus 27,690 minus 25,000. That will give you 27,690 minus 25,000. That is 2,690. 2,690. This is now our interest. Since we have the principal and the interest, we're going to use our first formula. I is equal to PRT. Now, let us derive our formula for R. So, to find R, we can divide both sides by P. So, P cancel. That will be equal to 1. Therefore, our R is equal to interest all over PT. Now, we are ready to substitute. Interest is 2,690. 2,690 over P is 25,000 times our T or time is 2 years, or simply 2. To find the rate, so use your calculator. We have 2,690 over 25,000 times 2. So that is 0.0538. If we're going to write into percent form, just move the decimal point to the right twice, 1, 2, that is 5.38, then write the percent sign. So the interest rate is 5.38%. Now let us proceed in our example number 2. The problem is, find the maturity value of a loan of 500,000 pesos at the end of 5 years if a simple interest rate of 4.25% is applied. How much is the interest? So we have two unknown. We have the maturity value and the interest. Now let us first determine the given. So we have the given, the principal, that is 500,000 pesos, and our time, which is 5 years, and our rate of 4.25%. 4.25% in decimal, so that is equal to, move the decimal point to the left twice, 1, 2, so that would be equal to 0.0425. This is the equivalent in decimal. Now, we're going to find the interest and the maturity value. So let us find first the interest. So interest, or I, is equal to PRT. Since we have the following given, P, R, and T, you're just going to substitute. So interest is equal to 500,000 times our rate, 0.0425 times our time, which is 5. Now to find the answer for interest, of course you need to use your calculator. So 500,000 times 0.0425 times 5. This will be our interest. 106,250 pesos. So write PHP. 106,250 pesos. And to find the maturity value, or F, to find F, that is equal to the P, which is 500,000, plus the interest, which is 106,250. So just add the two. Use your calculator. The maturity value is 606,250 PHP. Okay, that would be our final answer. The maturity value is 606,250 pesos and the interest is 106,250 pesos. Now let us proceed to problem number 3. Marcos' investment accumulated to 1,250,900 pesos at the end of 8 years and 9 months. If an interest rate of 7.25% was applied, how much did he invest? Okay. So we're going to find the principal. So how much did he invest? Principal. Now first, let us determine the given. We have the following given. Accumulated money, that is the future value, 1,250,900. We have our time, 8 years and 9 months. 8 years and 9 months. And rate of 7.25%. writing into decimal, that is, move twice to the left, 1, 2, so 0.0725. 8 years and 9 months. In decimal, so 8 years and 9 months, that is equal to 8 times 12. So 8 times 12, 96. So 8 times 12, so we have 96 months. Okay, 96 months plus 9 months. So 96 plus 9, 105. So a total of 105 months. So we need to divide this into 12 to convert into decimal. Divided by 12. So our time is 8.75 years. 8.75 years. This will be our time. Note, we need to convert into years. Now, if we have the following given, future value, time, and rate, how are we going to find P, the principal? So, since the given are the future value, rate, and time, so we're going to use the second formula. F, or the future value, is equal to P plus I. But take note, we don't have a given for I, or the interest. So, by substitution, F is equal to P plus, we can substitute I to PRT. Now, we need to find for P. So, F, factor out, common factor is P, so 1 plus RT. So, let us check P times 1, that is P, plus P times RT, that is PRT. To find P, we can divide the equation by 1 plus RT, 1 plus RT. So, this will be cancelled out. Therefore, P is equal to F all over 1 plus RT. This will be our formula for the principal. So, P is equal to F over 1 plus RT. So, P is equal to F is 1,250,900 all over 1 plus rate is 0.0725 times our time 8.75. To find the final answer, just press the following into your calculator or in your calculator. So 1 to 50, 900 over 1 plus, open parenthesis, 0.0725, close, open parenthesis, 8.75. Press equal sign. The principal is 765,369.0249. Or if you want to use two decimal places, that is 0.02. It's okay. So 765,369. That is the principal. So after 8 years and 9 months, it will become 1,250,900. Of course, to find P, we need to derive using our formulas. Now let us proceed in problem number 4. How long will it take for 200,000 PHP to double itself at 3% per year simple interest. So first, determine the given. Given, we have 200,000. That is our principal, or P. We also have 3%. That is our rate. And that is equal to, or in decimal, that is 0.03. And we have the future value. So the future value will be 400,000 because the principal must be double. And of course, if we have the future value and the principal, we can get the interest. So the interest is future value minus the principal. So 400,000 minus 200,000, that is 200,000. Now we are looking for the time. So how long? So how many years would it take to double the principal? So time, so we have the formula, I is equal to PRT. To find the formula for time, we need to divide by PR. That will be cancelled out. Therefore, our time is equal to interest all over PR. So, substitute the given. So, interest is 200,000 all over P is 200,000 times R, 0.03. So T is, use your calculator to find the final answer. 200,000. So 200,000 parenthesis, open parenthesis, 0.03. We have 100 over 3 in decimal, that is 33.33. This will be our time. 33.33 or 33 years and 1/3. 33 and 1/3. 33 and 1/3, that is 33 years, so 1/3. 12 divided by 3, that is 4. So 33 years and 4 months. And now our last problem for the simple interest. On April 25, the owner of a business borrowed 250,000 PHP on a 180-day promissory note at 6.5% interest rate. Find the due date and maturity value of the loan if ordinary interest was applied. Determine first the given. So our given, so we have the principal, which is 250,000 PHP, and our time is 180 days. 180 days, that is equivalent to, or that is equal to 6 months, or 6 months is 1/2 of a year, or 0.5 year. Next, we have the rate, which is 6.5% in decimal, that is 0.065. We're looking for the due date and the maturity value. Let us find first the due date. Okay, our due date. So we have 6 months from April. Count 6 months. April, May, June, July, August, September, October. So the due date is October 25. Okay, that is the first unknown. The second unknown is the maturity value. To find the maturity value, let us first find the interest. So interest is equal to P or T. We have P, 250,000 times the rate, 0.065, and our time must be in year, so 0.5. Now we are ready to find the interest. 250,000 times 0.065 times 0.5. And that is equal to 8,125. That is the interest. We're going to find the maturity value. So we have F is equal to the principal, 250,000, plus the interest, 8,125. So just add the two, 250,000. So that is the future value, 258,125. So after 6 months, the money will become 258,125 PHP. So that is the simple interest. Thank you for watching Senior Pablo TV.